So in this video, we will calculate for the beta. Remember that the security market line, or SML, provides a relationship between your risk and the required rate of return. And so for this, we will use the formula as you see here, where beta equals your the difference between your required rate of return on the stock, or RRE, minus the risk-free rate, which is the value that compensates investors for the time value of their money. So the difference of this will divide with the difference between the market risk premium, which is the required the return expected from the market above the risk-free rate, minus your risk-free rate. Okay, so let's look at an example. The example here is we assume that the risk-free rate is 10%. The required rate of return on the market for an average risk stock is 12%. And the required rate of return on the stock is 20%. What is the implied beta coefficient of the stock? So for this, let's assume, let's confirm what we know. The required rate of return on the stock is 20%. The risk-free rate is 10%. The required rate of return on the market, let's make that a bit clearer, is 12%. And we're looking for your beta coefficient. What is the beta coefficient here? So let's solve this using the formula as we indicated earlier. So the required rate of return on the stock is 20%. So let's put that down as 0.2 minus your risk-free rate, which is 10%, or 0.1, divided by the required rate of return on the market, or 12%, minus the risk-free rate of 10%. You have, so the difference between 0.2 and 0.1 is 0.1, and the difference of 0.12 with 0.1 is 0.02. And calculating for this, we get the beta coefficient of 5.